Hello everyone, this video will cover Module 13. So Module 13 is the start of our last major essay assignment, and that is an analysis essay. You will have 2 modules to complete this essay. So this one is where you'll learn about analysis and do some pre-writing in the form of a discussion board. In the next module, Module 14, you will actually write the essay and turn in the final draft. So it's not a very long amount of time to write this essay, but the essay is also not very long. So it should be, the comparison essay is kind of the difficult one for the class. Most students do just fine with this music video essay, even though it's right at the end of the semester. A lot of students really like it just because of the nature of the assignment. It's a little bit more fun. And it's a little bit of a not necessarily easier essay, but it's less complex than some of the other ones because you don't need to do any research or anything like that. So this module, you can see, just contains the information that you need, the readings. The quiz covers, there's just a short section in your rules for writers about reading and writing about multimodal texts, which includes anything that's visual type of argument or visual type of text, including videos. And so it doesn't directly relate to the music video discussion, but it does give you some ideas. And there's some good, like, just chart checklist type things to help you with the critical thinking part of this, which is typically what students struggle with, is just kind of thinking beyond just surface level meaning. And then you also have 2 videos to watch. There will be questions about these videos, just content-based questions in the quiz. So I want you to watch the videos before you take the quiz. And this is just so that you can get a little bit of practice with watching a video and then having to kind of think about what happened in the video. So you take the quiz when you're done with that, just like we've done before. And then the music video criteria is to, this is what you're doing the essay over. So the essay is not due till the next unit, but this just kind of gives you a starting point to start thinking about what you want to do for your music video. The music video that you choose, you can choose any music video that you want to, but you do want to be able to write about it. So it should not be a music video that is based on a movie. So like, you don't want to do a music video where the video itself is basically just clips from the movie. You also do not want to do a music video that doesn't have like content to it. So it needs to be telling a story. So those are kind of the ones that you don't want to pick. There are some really, really great songs out there that just don't have very good music videos because music videos weren't really a thing when they were created, or they were real simple, and so there's not as much to analyze. So the main thing that you want to be thinking about is, one, a music video that has something behind it. So there's a deeper meaning, not just behind the lyrics themselves, but behind the images on the screen. And so basically you want to be thinking about the music video is the artist's interpretation, or the production company's interpretation of the song. So you might listen to the song and think it means one thing, but then when you watch the music video, you get the sense that there's a much different, either a different meaning or a much deeper meaning than what you originally thought. So a couple of things, you're not doing any research, so I don't care about anybody else's interpretation of the video. I don't care about the artist's interpretation of his or her video. If they're a good artist, they probably haven't told you what it means because they want you to analyze it. And with analysis, your opinion is what matters. And so if you watch it and you think it means one thing, and then I watch it and think it means something different, it's okay. We can have 2 different interpretations as long as your interpretation can be supported with evidence. So you're not interpreting something that's just absolutely not there. So couple of things. Introduction is just going to include the title and the artist right there at the beginning, first sentence. And then it's helpful if you put the year in there in case they've redone the song. And then your thesis will be your definition of the message and just kind of overall what you think of what the artist is trying to say with that video. The analysis of the video will happen in the body of paragraphs, and so you will have 3 areas to look at: images, lyrics, and music. So each paragraph should cover each the different aspects. So when you do analysis, the main thing to remember is that an analysis is a breakdown of something in order to understand it better. So you are breaking it down into its parts. In this case, we have the 3 main parts of a music video, which is the images that you see, the lyrics, which are the song itself, and then the music, which would be the sound that you hear. And those are the 3 key components of a music video. And so we're breaking that down and we're analyzing each of them separately in order to see the overall message. No additional sources. I'm just interested in your specific analysis. And then for the conclusion, instead of doing just kind of an overview of what you just said, since it's such a short essay, for the conclusion, I do want you to apply it to yourself. And so, and analyze the music video's effect on you. Either, how does it define some kind of philosophy that you have, or an outlook that you have on life, or so why is it significant to you? Or you might explain the significance as part of your personal narrative. Was this song something special to you because of who you listened to it with, or when you listened to it, or something like that. And then you'll have a works cited page that just has the video on it. And then the lyrics will also go with it. So you're going to turn in the music video essay, works cited page with just the music video on it, and then the lyrics will be either as a separate file or copy it and paste it into your essay. So that's the assignment itself. And then the music video, I've got some samples for you. I've got some example essays along with the videos in there. And so you can kind of see what other students have done. And then the discussion board is all we're doing in this module. And the discussion board basically just allows you to present your idea to the class. And so you're just going to answer these 5 questions about the music video you've chosen. It also allows me to, if anybody chooses something that is either not an official music video or one that probably won't work for this assignment, then I can at least in the comments say I would recommend choosing a different video. And then maybe your peers might notice that as well. So that just gives you a chance to do that. And so you're going to answer the 5 questions, and then you're just going to respond to 2 classmates and then kind of point out anything that you notice to kind of help them along with their analysis. So pretty simple discussion board. That's all we're doing in this module is that quiz and discussion board. You're just kind of planning for your essay. Since the essay is only 2 pages long, it doesn't take quite as long to write, but you can definitely start drafting an essay. If you ever have questions about the music video that you've chosen, you're more than welcome to email me. If you have multiple videos you're thinking about, you can email me a link to all of them and I can let you know which one I think would work best. So that's what we're working on right now. If you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, have a great week.